Hi, I'm Jacob Swotek, and welcome to this month's Short Sale Scoop, where we're going to be talking about the short sale tax relief expiration. You know, if you've taken our training or you've been following us long enough, you know that we talk a lot about H.R. 3648, which is the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act of 2007. On December 20th, 2007, then President Bush signed into law H.R. 3648, giving tax relief to homeowners doing short sales. Now, there are many nuances to this program, so we don't have time to get into that, nor am I qualified to give tax or legal advice. But there's a lot of information available online. Matter of fact, if you just Google search IRS Form 4681, IRS Form 4681, it's a great handout for your clients when you're going on a listing presentation, so you don't have to answer those tough tax questions, although I think you should be able to at least speak intelligently about it. But the point of this quick training is to alert you for the fact that as of now, there is no extension to H.R. 3648. Homeowners being able to be tax exempt most of the time, depending on the nature of the loans, on short sales on their primary residences. And that's a big deal because when this was signed into law in 2007, it started January 1st, 2008, it really gave a push to our industry. People thought, hey, I don't want to be kicked while I'm down. If I can do a short sale and more times than not have to pay income tax on the deficiency, that's a win for me. Well, that law is almost about to sunset, right, at the end of this year, December 31st, 2012. And everyone watching this has either had a circumstance or knows someone who has had a short sale that lasts about a year. By the time you get offers, send it to the bank, maybe buyers drop out, whatever it is, they're in and out of different programs, and then closing the transaction. And as of this month, January 2012, we're about a year, a little bit less than a year, until the end of this program. Now, full disclaimer, I believe it's probably going to be extended, just FYI. But it's a great reason to knock on doors, get out to your sphere of influence, your e-newsletters, your flyers, your mail-outs, writing on your blog, to get the word out that if you're on the fence of a short sale, you need to consider it now. Call me for a consultation because this debt relief, mortgage debt relief for taxes, as it ends in less than a year. And that's really important for homeowners to know. I think I'd want to know if I was a homeowner, and that's not really their job to know that. It's our job to communicate that to homeowners. So this is kind of a lead generation FYI. It's for those of you who are looking for something interesting to say to your sphere or to your farm or people that you market to on social media or your blog followers. I would talk about the fact that this great tax exemption policy is about to expire possibly, and if you're thinking about a short sale, now's the time to have a consultation to really maybe get off the fence with the loan modification that has really been spinning its wheels and wasting a lot of time, and really make a decision as a business person, as a family person, what is your real plan with your property, with your home? And I can help you with a short sale if that's what you want to do. I don't know, I get chills thinking about it because to me, this is the kind of thing that helps people sell their home, and it builds credibility in you as the agent because you know exactly what's happening. You have your finger on the pulse legislatively with these tax changes, and you're able to offer assistance and some security to these homeowners, your potential clients, about what's happening in this space. So again, it's H.R. 3648, expires at the end of the year, December 31st, 2012. And if you want more information about that tax exemption, you can just Google search IRS Form 4681. That concludes this month's short sale scoop.